Hello everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. Welcome back. I'm a little short-winded. Been moving stuff around. Brought that ladder back out here to the barn. But anyways, welcome back to the barn. It's still a mess. The pool is still all in here and stuff. Tractor needs a new battery. Wheelbarrows, you know, basic barn shit. But figured I'd do something easy today for you. It's a quick episode. By the way, I'm BLG. I'm lefty. I'm righty. I'm holding a hammer right here. See me? Right here. Righty. So, the old lady in Squeak was moving a refrigerator, if you recall, and smashed the hell out of this wheel. It's all cracked. Right through here. It's all smashed off the back. We went to Harbor Freight and bought, since one was cracked, we got two brand new heavy wheels. These are twice as heavy and more solid than these little plastic fakies. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to hop down here with y'all. Yes, I'm still alive, sort of. Them fucking fire ants, man, they got me 27 fucking times trying to kill my ass. And well, here, what it fire ants look like. They got all the fuck up and down my ankles and stuff. See? And they've been, when fire ant bites heal, they get infected. So I've been fighting that all the time and stuff. But back to these wheels. They're not hard. They're just pushed. Got these little press clamps on here. And just kind of pry them up. Hopefully they come off. I got the other ones off with a crowbar. I might be doing the same. I don't know. Well, they should just pull off here. There it's going. Get that little pop going there. There's a little ridge on these little teeth that bite in here. You're not breaking it yet. You just got to be kind of careful and jolt the little pricks. See? Little bits at a time. Just kind of work your way around. See, it's coming off. Just work around it. There she's going. Just simple. Not hard to do. No sense in buying a brand new truck when you can just get new wheels for it cheap. I think we paid a little over $6 a piece for these new heavy wheels. And that was at the Harbor Freight. You put your wheel on. Make sure your inside. This is your inside, the long part. Make sure that's on the inside of the axle. And we start panging this thing back down, like so. Ooh, this one wants to play. See, just work around it. Tapping it down. Getting her going. She'll get down on there. She'll take a hold. Take a hold on that thing. There you go. That easy, that quick. I changed out the other one the other day. Well, just this morning. I took the old wheel off, but look at there. There you go. She rolls around just like new, and even better than when it was new. Heavier wheels. So, that's it for Hands On with BLG for this episode. I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, till then, you know what to do, folks. So like, subscribe, share. Thanks for sticking around. For those of you who are already here, drop a comment down below. Say howdy to old BLG. We'll keep that wheel here. We'll chuck it off to the side. That'll be a spare. Very good. And, yeah, until the next time, folks. Real quick. Here's how the air conditioner finally turned out once I regrouped. We did get it installed. There it is. And it felt good the other night when it was hot. Yep. So, anyways, folks, that's it. I won't keep you any longer trying to get you up the stairs with the damn tripod open. Till the next time, folks, you stay groovy. And other than that, you know what to do. That's right. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Later. Hands on.
BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.